Good morning, everyone. This is Kathy from Artemisa Auto Air. Here we have a 2015 Mercedes S550 AMG. It's a coupe. Here we have the interior. Today we're working on the airbags. We're installing the airbags due to they were missing. They weren't even deployed. They were just missing. Peek of the car. Our technician is working on installing that as we speak. Here he is. Still working on it. This is one of our clients' vehicle that needed also to change the whole dash. We changed it completely. This is how it came out. We had a previous video on that as well. And it's coming along pretty nice. We just gotta finish installing that and we should be good to surprise our customer, and hopefully they're content with everything that was done. And if you guys need or want any tutorials on how to do airbags or per se replacement of a dash, you can always comment or message us and we'll make a whole video on exactly how to do these replacements. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.